Okay guys, sorry about the shakiness here, but quick and easy, Japanese 3/4 PEX remover. Your 3/4 PEX, 3/4 bit. Oh, she's in there now. Buy yourself some 1-inch PEX. Cut a little chunk off, about an inch, inch and a half long. Put a groove in the back. Snaps on. Press down. I don't have two hands, but as soon as I did this, there's the piece. Anyway, cost you about 10 cents for one of these removers as opposed to a couple bucks at Lowe's. Make them on the job site. Give them out to friends and family. They'll love you. That's it. We're out.